Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking forward to start a poultry farm and you are not sure where to begin, this video is for you. I will take you through every essential step from planning to profit so you can start a poultry business with confidence. Why poultry farm? Poultry farm is one of the fastest growing agricultural business today. It doesn't require huge capital to start. With proper planning, it can be profitable in a very short time. Choosing your focus when engaging in poultry farming. You have different kind of niche on poultry farming. One, we have the broilers. We have which is for the meat purpose. We have the eggs, which is layers for the purpose of eggs. We have the one for dual. You can start to farm the both of them, which is egg for layers and broilers. Then we have the one for breeding of chicks, which is hatching of chicks. Hello guys, this is where I'm going to be keeping my birds. This cage has two chambers, the upper and the lower chamber. So I'm going to be keeping my birds in this lower chamber here. So this is how I've arranged the floor for the birds. So I have to keep this carton paper so that because they are still young, so that their feet and feces will not touch the main floor and can be easily cleaned. Yeah. Guys, these are my birds. These are my birds. They are 25 in number. A full carton is 50 in number. So I bought half carton, so they are 25 in number. For the sake of this tutorial. These are the feeds, different kind of feeds that can be used in feeding the birds. Thanks for watching.